I'm Megan.
And I'm Jacob. Do you own party inflatables? If you do, eventually your inflatables are going to need some repair work.
At Repair My Moonwalk, we sell DIY repair kits so that you will be equipped to handle any of those on-the-spot repairs. Also, you can bring your inflatables to us. We are ready and able to fix any repair for your commercial-grade inflatables.
We're located right outside of Atlanta, Georgia, and we have a very quick turnaround time so we can get your inflatables back in inventory as soon as possible. If you have any questions or would like a quote, give us a call or click this video to visit our website.